Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q3 of the weekly contest 293, largest combination with Bitwise and greater than 0. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. So I actually got this one very quickly. I got this, even though this looks like 3 minutes and a penalty, I actually got this in about a minute, but I had a typo which I'll point out in a second, which made me very sad. But the core problem behind this one is greedy problem. So the idea is that you want a bitwise ends that greater than 0. And it doesn't really matter what that result is as long as it's not 0, right? And the way to kind of do that is by looking at it one bit at a time. So basically, for example, here, you could say, you look at to see if it's odd number, right? The first bit on the lower, excuse me, on the lowest significant bit, the lowest bit, right? And basically, if you want to focus on that bit, then you only these two numbers, and you only have two. If you want to focus on the other ones and so forth, on like multiples on the second bit and the third bit, and so forth. The idea here is that it's a greedy solution, right? Meaning that you count the number of numbers that has that bit in its binary representation, and then you go, okay, if I take the first bit, what numbers can I have, and how many numbers are there? If I take the second bit, so forth, right? And that's basically the idea behind this one, is that, okay, I keep a track of all 30 bit. 30 bit is actually a little bit of overkill because this goes to 10 to 7, but I actually misread this, so I think I'm just a little bit rusty from just getting off the plane and drinking a little bit before the contest. Don't recommend it. I put this as 20 and 20, and that basically was not big enough for 10 to the 7, but otherwise this is good. Basically it's going, okay, for each number, is there a bit on the first bit? Is there a 1 in the first bit? If it's so, then you count, and then at the very end we just we just return the max, because the max is the biggest bit in all those places, right? Because for example, if I is 5 is equal to biggest, that means that, or maybe another way I could say is that, let's say count of 3 is equal to 10, right? What does that mean? That means that 10 numbers have a 1 in its third bit in binary representation, right? And that means that to get 10 numbers, you just take those 10, you just take all the numbers after the third bit, and that'll give you 10. And that's pretty much the idea behind this one, because they're independent, right? That means that if you combine more numbers, you can it will give you a fewer number, or if you combine more numbers, it can give you only in a greedy kind of way. You combine more numbers, it'll just give you 0, because that means that by definition, let's say we have, again, count of 3 is equal to 10, the 11th number by definition will have 0 and make this bit useless, right? So that means that we just want to take the max of all those bits, and that's pretty much it. This is going to be roughly 30 times, and I mean, you could maybe get a tighter bell, but I mean, yeah, this is how I go. But this is linear, roughly speaking, or linear times log of u, where u is the size of the universe. Again, I have a typo, and I took a minute to debug it because I was being silly today. My allergies and my alcohol and everything is mixing in a really bad way. But yeah, some days this will happen. Anyway, that's all I have. Let me know what you think, and you can watch me solve a live in the contest now. Say what? I'll just come in. Let's see. Right. Okay. 7, so like 20 is fine. Yeah, this is a little bit more memory efficient. Oh, forgot the one number case. That is silly. Wait, why? Why is that giving me 0? Huh? Did I mess this up? Wait, what? I'm so confused. This should be right. What number is this again? Huh? It's 21. Oh man, I meant 30. Oh my. That's wow, I'm really rusty today. Oh my, that is silly. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem and this contest and all these other good things. I'll see you later and take care. And yeah, goodbye.